Okay.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a review of a product that I received from the brand called Happenstance. So for those who don't know about the brand, Happenstance is a brand which gives out shoes as well as sandals for both men and women. So if you look it up, you'll see that Susmita Sen, Rajkumar Rao and Radhika Apte are its brand ambassadors. So I think right now it's available in Kerala, but it will be available nationwide very soon. So you can see the name here. This is the package that I got. Well, I'm gonna open it. Wait. So I'm gonna take one. I got a pair of sandals. So you can see that it's a very beautiful maroon color. So before giving this review, I tried it on so that I can give an honest review here. So as you can see, there's two types of soles here. First one is a very creamish color, and there's a small lighter sole here in a brownish shade. So this bigger sole is basically, for shock absorption, and it also absorbs all the friction that happens under your legs, so it's pretty good. But the next question which happens is is it so heavy or is it very bulky? So it looks very thick, but in reality when I tried it on, it was very light and smooth. It's really light that you don't feel that you are wearing such a sandal. So that's a very 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 plus point here. And then the next thing is, the main motto of this brand is engineered comfortness. So it's not just the looks, it's also comfort. So they're giving a very big priority to that. So I really feel after using this that it's really really good, because it's also really flexible. So if you can see, it's quite flexible. So okay, so I got to tell you about the price of this brand. So it's 1299. So according to me, is it worth it or not, or should I go for any other brand? Well, I guess it's worth it, because as you can see, you do feel it's of a really good quality and it's going to last for a long time. So it's better to buy such a sandals which is light, which is flexible, which gives you a bounce also, because when you walk it gives you a push also. It's really good for you one person to walk into, and also it's really really smooth. So I feel it's a really good brand. And what does the design mean to me? Well, I really love the color. First of all, I'm a really big fan of the maroon shade, so I really love it, and I feel that I can use it with a lot of attires, like me, be it be ethnic, be it be casuals. I think it's gonna go crazy with a lot of outfits. And it's not just that, I can use it in all seasons, be it be rainy, because it's washable. So I can use it in rainy season, I can use it in any other seasons. But so I think it's a really really good product, guys. So I'm gonna take the next one also to show you to you as a whole. See, aren't they cute? They look really really good. I really really love the brand. I think I'm already in love with the brand, to be honest. So if you guys want to check it out, they also give out a lot of shoes and sandals in different shades and different sizes. So go look it up online and you'll see how great they are. So well, that's it. That's my review. So thank you guys. So yeah, thank you.